If you are over 60 and noticing thinner skin, weaker nails, or hair that no longer feels as full, I want you to hear this clearly. This is not simply age catching up with you. Most seniors are told these changes are inevitable, but that is not the full truth. What I see again and again in senior health over 60 is not failure, but depletion. Your body is missing key support it once had. In this video, I will show you how seniors can begin to reverse aging naturally by restoring what collagen needs to renew itself. Watch to the end because you will learn a daily rhythm that will change everything for you. And if you value natural health for seniors, consider subscribing before we begin. Point 1. Restore the missing collagen builder seniors lose after 60. When seniors think about collagen, they usually think about creams, powders, or expensive treatments, but collagen does not begin on the skin. It begins inside the body, at the cellular level. And after 60, one of the biggest reasons collagen declines is not age itself. It is the quiet loss of a key building block your body depends on. That building block is glycine. Glycine is an amino acid your body uses to assemble collagen fibers. Without enough glycine, the body cannot maintain firm skin, strong nails, or healthy hair. Many seniors believe they eat enough protein, but modern diets are often low in the specific amino acids collagen requires. This is why so many people feel frustrated with anti-aging skincare for 60s. The creams may moisturize the surface, but they cannot rebuild structure if the raw materials are missing. Skin-tightening home remedies only work when the body has what it needs internally. Glycine is one of those missing links. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at recycling glycine. Years of stress, inflammation, and sun exposure place higher demands on collagen repair. The body shifts energy towards survival and away from renewal. This is why changes can feel sudden, even though the process has been building quietly for years. When glycine runs low, collagen fibers weaken faster than they can be repaired. Skin begins to feel thinner, nails split more easily, hair loses its resilience. These are not cosmetic problems alone. Collagen supports blood vessels, joints, digestion, and tissue repair throughout the body. This is where holistic health for seniors becomes important. When collagen weakens, circulation slows and recovery takes longer. Seniors may also notice stiffness, slower healing, or discomfort. Supporting collagen is not just about appearance, it is about overall senior wellness and natural pain relief. Now here's the hopeful part. This process is not permanent. When seniors begin restoring glycine, the body responds. Collagen production does not need extreme measures, it needs consistency and proper nourishment. This is how many people begin to see foods for younger skin actually make a difference. One of the gentlest and most effective ways to support glycine is through collagen-rich foods. Gelatin is a simple example. It's easy to digest and breaks down quickly into glycine. For seniors, this matters because digestion often slows with age. Gelatin supports skin hydration from within. It helps the skin hold moisture, not just on the surface, but in the deeper layers. Many seniors notice their skin feels calmer and less fragile over time. This is not overnight change, it is gradual and natural. Adding small amounts of gelatin into warm beverages, soups, or simple home remedies allows the body to recognize a steady supply of building material. The body does not need large doses, it needs reliability. This is how natural health works best after 60. If this is already helping you understand why your skin or nails changed so quickly, gently tap the like button. It helps this message reach other seniors who may need it too. And stay with me, because in the next part, I will show you how to strengthen this effect with foods for glowing skin. Point 2. Use collagen-rich comfort foods to strengthen skin from within. Once seniors begin restoring the missing building blocks for collagen, the next step is to reinforce that foundation with foods that work gently and consistently. This is where many people over 60 see real progress, because food speaks the body's language better than anything else. The goal here is not perfection, it is steady nourishment that supports skincare for seniors over 60 from the inside out. One of the most effective and overlooked tools is traditional bone-based soups. When bones are simmered slowly, collagen dissolves into the broth in a form the body can use immediately. This is one of the oldest longevity diet practices across cultures, and it remains powerful today. Seniors often feel warmth and comfort almost immediately, which signals improved absorption. Bone-based soups support more than skin. They nourish joints, blood vessels, and connective tissue at the same time. This is why many seniors notice reduced stiffness and better mobility alongside improvements in skin firmness. Natural health works best when multiple systems are supported together. From a holistic health over 60 perspective, this matters deeply. When collagen-rich foods are absorbed slowly, they help stabilize blood sugar and calm inflammation. Inflammation accelerates aging, dulls the skin, and weakens tissue repair. Reducing it supports anti-aging natural remedies far better than surface treatments alone. Many seniors tell me their face begins to look less tired after several weeks of consistent broth intake. This is not because wrinkles vanish overnight. It is because internal hydration improves and the skin regains supple volume. That fuller look is one of the first signs collagen pathways are waking up again. Another benefit is nail strength. Nails are made of layers that depend on collagen underneath. When seniors restore collagen-rich foods regularly, nails tend to grow smoother with fewer splits. Hair can also feel more resilient because the tiny blood vessels feeding each follicle become better supported. This is how foods for glowing skin truly work. They do not rush results, they rebuild structure. And structure is what gives skin its firmness, elasticity, and healthy tone over time. This is how to look younger at 60 without chasing extreme solutions. There is also a calming effect many seniors notice. Collagen-rich foods contain amino acids that support relaxation and deeper sleep. Better sleep allows the body to repair tissue more effectively at night. This is one reason senior wellness tips often overlook sleep's role in skin renewal. If you are finding this information helpful, gently tap the like button now. It tells the platform that senior health over 60 content like this matters, and it helps other seniors find guidance rooted in natural health and home remedies. Now let me share something especially important. Consistency matters more than quantity. A small bowl of broth several times a week does more than large amounts taken irregularly. The body responds to rhythm. This is how collagen repair becomes reliable instead of sporadic. Some seniors worry they must overhaul their entire diet. That is not necessary. Simply adding collagen-rich foods alongside familiar meals is enough. This is why holistic health for seniors emphasizes addition, not restriction. As the body begins to trust this steady nourishment, it becomes more efficient at using what it receives. Skin hydration improves, inflammation eases, recovery becomes smoother. These changes may feel subtle at first, but they accumulate quietly. Stay with me because in the next part, I will show you the final and most powerful piece that determines whether collagen actually rebuilds or continues to decline. But before we move on, if this video feels supportive and reassuring, drop the word steady in the comments. It helps me know you're committed to gentle, consistent healing. Point 3. Set a daily rhythm that turns collagen repair back on. By now, you understand something most seniors are never told. Collagen does not disappear because your body is broken. It fades because the body no longer receives a clear, steady signal to rebuild. This final step is where everything comes together, and it is the most important shift for anti-aging for seniors. After 60, the body listens closely to patterns. It responds far more to rhythm than to intensity. When nourishment arrives randomly, the body hesitates. It conserves energy. But when support arrives at roughly the same time each day, the body prepares for repair in advance. This is why many seniors feel disappointed by supplements or occasional routines. They try something for a few days, skip it for a week, then try again. From the body's point of view, this looks like noise, not support. Collagen repair needs predictability. Think of it this way. Your body runs on internal clocks. Sleep, digestion, hormone release, and tissue repair all follow timing signals. Collagen is no different. When seniors give the body small, steady amounts of collagen-rich foods at consistent times, the repair signal becomes clear. This is what allows seniors to begin reversing aging naturally, not by doing more, but by doing less more consistently. A warm cup of broth, a gentle gelatin addition, or a collagen-supportive food taken daily at a familiar time helps reset this internal rhythm. When that rhythm returns, something subtle but powerful happens. Skin begins to hold moisture more evenly. The face looks calmer. Nails regain strength gradually. Hair feels more resilient. These are not dramatic changes, they are signs of internal stability returning. This is also why holistic health over 60 emphasizes routine. Routine reduces stress on the nervous system. Less stress means lower inflammation. Lower inflammation means collagen lasts longer and repairs faster. This is natural health working with the body instead of forcing it. Many seniors notice improvements in areas they did not expect. Digestion becomes smoother, sleep deepens, morning stiffness eases. These are all connected to collagen and connective tissue health. When one system improves, others follow. This approach also supports natural pain relief. Stronger connective tissue cushions joints and improves circulation. Seniors often feel more comfortable moving, which further supports longevity diet principles and overall senior wellness tips. What matters most is patience. Collagen rebuilds in weeks and months, not days. But when the rhythm is correct, progress continues quietly. This is how to look younger at 60 in a way that feels authentic and sustainable. If you remember only one thing, remember this. Collagen responds to consistency, not urgency. Small daily actions tell the body it is safe to repair again. That message alone can change how seniors experience aging. If this message spoke to you personally, I want you to know you are not alone. Aging does not mean decline. It means your body needs clearer support. Subscribe to No Pill Zone if you want more guidance rooted in natural health for seniors and holistic health over 60. Share this video with someone over 60 who may need reassurance today. And I would love to hear your story. Have you noticed changes in your skin, hair, or nails? Or have you already found a routine that helps? Drop your experience in the comments. Your words may help another senior feel hopeful again.